Hello YouTuber. Today I'm going to show you what I did to my van. This one I ripped out the AC a long time ago, and after seeing the video on YouTube that one guy added the window air conditioning in the back, and it's powered by a generator, but the window is sticking out. The window AC is sticking out of the rear window. I think we could do a little better than that. So I added the 120 amp fuse at the battery post, and I'm using the 10 gauge. Will be updated to a 6 gauge wire. Here is where the wire coming out through the battery and go to the relay, and the relay would be powered by the switch here. When the key on and I want AC on, I will turn on, push in that switch. Okay, and then this is what going on in the back. I'm still testing. So this is $150 Walmart AC window unit. Have the door open so it vent out the hot air. 3000 watt power inverter. I have to add a deep cycle battery. This is about 85 amp hours. My previous attempt, the alternator could not keep up, as dropping the voltage, and the inverter was beeping. With this added battery, whenever I turn on the AC, that's when the car battery, the alternator, and this battery working in conjunction. Let's see how it works. Okay, the engine is on. Turn on the switch. Some low cool. I'm probably going to upgrade the 10 gauge to the 6 gauge wire. It's a 10 gauge. I feel getting a little warm, not hot, but warm. There you go, should work. Thanks for watching.